I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python 3.10 or later is installed and added to path. This makes the interpreter globally available. Next, install Visual Studio Code and the official Python extension so Vscode recognizes interpreters and linting. Once done, open a folder for your project and create a new Py file so Vscode prompts for interpreter selection. Make sure to restart Vscode after extension install so the extension activates and detects your Python installation properly. You now select the interpreter using the command palette. Python, select interpreter, choosing the system or virtual environment one. Create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv to isolate dependencies and then activate it in PowerShell or command prompt so installs go into venv. Install packages via venv /scripts/pip install package. Once activated, set the interpreter to the venv path so linting, IntelliSense, and debugging use the correct environment and installed packages. You finish by running and debugging. Press Run and Debug, add a simple configuration, or let Vscode auto-create launch JSON for the file. Set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables to confirm behavior. Make sure the terminal uses the activated environment and that linting shows no interpreter errors. If something fails, check that Python is on path. The selected interpreter points to your virtual environment, and view the Python extension output channel for detailed errors as your primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.